Welcome to our tutorial on SQL subqueries. In this video, we will explore what subqueries are and how to effectively write them. A subquery is a query with another SQL query. It allows you to perform operations that depend on the results of another query. There are three main types of subqueries: single row, multiple row, and correlated subqueries. Each serves a different purpose. A single row subquery returns a single value. For example, this query selects employees with a salary greater than the average salary. A multiple row subquery can return multiple values. In this case, we select employees who work in departments located in New York. A correlated subquery references columns from the outer query. Here, we find employees whose salary is above the average for their specific department. Subqueries can also be used in the select statement. This retrieves each employee's name along with the highest salary in the company. You can use subqueries in the from clause as well. This query calculates average salary for each department and presents the results. When writing subqueries, keep them simple, avoid excessive nesting, and use aliases for better readability. To summarize, we discussed what subqueries are, their types, and how to use them effectively in SQL. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with others.